Monkey mouth. It may sound very funny, but it is definitely not funny to have that around your face. So what it is exactly, the dark and dull area which you experience over here, which doesn't matches your entire face skin tone, is called monkey mouth. And still, if you're not clear, basically when you apply foundation and makeup, and if you see that after a few hours this area turns gray, yes, then you definitely have a monkey mouth issue. And the tips which I'll be sharing with you in this video will allow you to say a permanent goodbye to the monkey mouth and have an even skin tone forever. So to exactly know what I'm talking about, do watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on any information. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Miss Harsha. My name is Harsha. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer, an aromatherapist, a cosmetologist, a makeover, bridal and image consultant as well. In this video, I'll be sharing some really cool tricks and tips which will help you to get rid of that monkey mouth. And the first point related to that is to hydrate and to moisturize that area well. Now let me tell you first why especially this area gets dark, not the other area. It definitely is a matter of concern and very surprising also that why only this area, because first of all, this area is an area which is very dry. So we don't have oil glands here and we have sweat glands more here, the upper area, the upper lip area and all. So what happens when you sweat a lot? So this area is basically getting dehydrated. And when you talk about proper moisturization, hydration, any part of your body, if it is getting dark and dull, that is because of the lack of moisture and hydration in that particular area. So for this area, what you have to do is, even you have your own skincare routine which you follow daily, this area needs special attention and care. So you have to apply something which is more moisturizing and nourishing in this area than the entire face, and that will kind of balance out the entire moisture level here. And in the long run, what it will do, it will reduce the darkness and the dullness as it will get hydrated and moisturized. So this is one way in which you can actually get rid of that dullness. And by the way, this is point number one, and it is equally important like other points. And hydration is something which is really important, because only scrubbing and applying masks and packs and ointments or creams which reduces dullness won't help. Proper hydration is a must, and also drink a lot of water, because this is also a sign of dryness. When you are not drinking enough water, that shows on your face, which I have already spoken a lot in my videos and in my past workshops and seminars. So I won't stretch on that in this video, but yes, do hydrate yourself from within and from the outside. Especially in this area, you need special care and special hydration as well. Point number two. Point number two is scrubbing. So you have to exfoliate this area well, because that will allow the dead skins and the skin which has already turned black to go off, and it will allow the newer cells to come forward and upward. In this way, this will also help the skin of this area to get more smoother, more softer. And of course, when the dead skin goes, it allows that area to become more receptive towards whatever you are applying to moisturize that area. So basically, it's about, when the dead skin layer is there, even you apply a very good product, you will not get the desired results out there, and maybe the process will be very slow. Okay, so but if you are scrubbing it off and exfoliating the dead skin cells, the chances of getting results are much higher, and of course it will be a speed process for you as well. Let's talk about point number three. So this point is really important, and I'll share some more information apart from this point into this point as well. So this is about application of sunscreen. See, you have to understand one thing which I'm sure almost nobody has shared before. The area on your skin or body which is already dry tends to get damaged from sun more faster and more easily. Okay, and as you already know that this area is dry, if you're exposed to the sun, yes, your entire face will get tanned and damaged, but this area will get damaged more and more easily. Okay, and that will actually make the game of getting rid of that monkey mouth much difficult for you. Okay, so you have to apply sunscreen every day on your face, not only around the mouth area but of course on the face, but make sure that you apply a little bit more over here, just to do your little bit extra to protect the area from sun damage. Now let's talk about point number 4, and this is the point which will instantly fix that monkey mouth area, because see, skincare is a process, okay? It takes time, and to actually transform any area on your body, face or hair, you have to give that time. So skincare is a different part, okay? Let's not mix that with this point. Now this point is of course related to makeup. So makeup has that power to fix things instantly, and when you have actually experienced that monkey mouth turning gray after you do your base makeup, that definitely means that you require a corrector in that area. Now depending on the intensity of the color, if this area is too dark, then you will require an orange corrector, and if this area is little dark, then you will require a peach corrector or a yellow corrector, okay, depending on what is your skin undertone. So I'm just giving you a generalized idea for that, but to have a perfect clarity, you can get in touch with me anytime. You're welcome, okay? So the point is that you have to apply a corrector to fix that area, and then you can apply the foundation and concealer on top of that, and this will ensure that this area won't turn gray. Basically, a corrector neutralizes the extra pigment and the color, and it kind of balances out the color of this area with the rest of your face, and hence you look even throughout the face. So this was the 4th point. I really hope that you enjoyed all the 4 points and it gave you the clarity around it. And yes, one more thing which I would like to add on to this is, whatever I have shared is something which is a wholesome thing, okay? But definitely you will require specific, skincare around this area, and maybe you can use some DIY recipes, some packs, some masks and all that, which will again help you more in getting rid of these monkey mouth faster. But that is a separate thing. But I just wanted to give you a different insight about this, okay? So that you can know that why this actually monkey mouth thing happens. So once you are clear with the root cause, you can actually treat that accordingly. So I hope that the kind of target which I was having through this video has been done. So this was all about the video. If you have liked the content, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because I will be posting really interesting content in the near future as well. And at the same time, you can like the video if you have actually liked the content, and you can follow me on Instagram. So this is my Instagram handle, where I share a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle related stuff, makeup stuff as well, and all the upcoming updates about my videos, my classes, my workshops, my programs and everything goes on my Insta story. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you don't miss out on anything, whatever is coming out of me as information. And yes, till then you can enjoy the video, you can follow all the steps, and if you have any suggestion for video topics and all, you can drop down in the comment section below. I would definitely consider that and make a video on that topic as well. And to get a personal consultancy, if you desire, like if you have certain skin issues and you require a personal consultancy with me, you can of course feel free to get in touch with my manager. I'll drop down the details in the description box below, so you can check out that as well. So this was all about the video. I hope to see you really soon, and till then, stay happy, stay beautiful.